Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitri and I'm back with another video. If you don't know me, I make videos about nursing in Canada, general life in Canada and student life in Canada. And today, I'm back with special topic. I know long time no see because of some family emergency and also busy in work. But I'm back with a big announcement. If you're following me on my Instagram, then you know what I'm talking about. If not, let me explain. So, we are gonna start classes for NCLEX RN and REXPN, and we by means Shreya Patel and me. If you have watched my previous video, you know that Shreya Patel is my senior in college and she's also helping international nurses in their NCLEX RN preparation and also about the nursing process in Canada. She's very active on her Instagram and also she has a YouTube channel too. So I'll link everything on my description below. Make sure to follow her on her Instagram, on her YouTube, and make sure to follow career nursing. Now, as the main topic of today's video, career nursing. Why we have created career nursing and what is career nursing and why you need to choose career nursing out of all other NCLEX classes available in the market. So, let's start, shall we? The first is what is career nursing and why we have created it. So I receive at least 5 to 7 messages every single day on my Instagram, maximum up to 30-35 messages per day on my Instagram just for the NCLEX RN process and tips and tricks and material. And 80% of them are already doing classes with the very famous nursing classes available in Canada, especially Brampton and USA, etc. etc. They are paying more than $1,500. $2,000 and more than that, but they are confused with all the processes and also they are asking us about tips and tricks and study material for NCLEX RN, and they literally don't know how the process works and from where to start and how they can do it. Upon asking them why they don't know the process, the main answer is because they are doing the classes where the students are more than 50 and they cannot ask their questions in the class, and also if they contact them by phone call or message or email, they don't respond them very well. As we all know, NCLEX RN is not that easy exam and it requires lots of hard work and luck. So just in case if they fail, the classes don't even receive their call or they don't even give them a chance for the re-exam practice. And the same thing happens with Shreya Didi as well. So we have decided to start our own NCLEX classes as we both have our own experience in new generation NCLEX RN, and also we are helping people for more than a year for NCLEX RN process and exams. So we are new in the market but not that new too. As our community is growing, we want to provide a safe platform for our students so that we can provide them all the detailed information about how the nursing process works in Canada and how the NCLEX RN exam is. The detailed live lectures of all the systems for NCLEX RN and the mock test and the study material and our personal tips and tricks for NCLEX RN exam. And God forbid, but just in case if they fail, then we are going to give them a chance to attend our lectures until they pass the NCLEX RN exam. So everything in just a minimum amount. Now the second is why you can trust career nursing and choose our classes when you have thousands of options available for NCLEX RN who have years of experience in teaching. So why would you trust us and not them? I agree, there are plenty of fishes available in the market and it is tough decision to make whom to trust and whom to not, but let me clear some facts about us so that it's easy for you to make a decision. As we are just starting with our classes, we will have a small group to start with. So you will get utmost attention of us and we are going to pour our blood, sweat and tears into the classes. So you will get the best of all. Now the second is, I personally have new generation NCLEX RN experience. So I can assist you better what is the main topics and which is the main points to consider. How you can crack the exam, how you can understand the question and what are the topics you can absolutely not avoid. The second is, our price is the lowest of all. By that means we are going to give you quality education and live lectures, small group, our personalized study material, mock tests, tips and tricks, and at the end exam classes. So everything in a minimum amount of $1,099. Now for live lectures, it's very low compared to other classes because others are charging more than 1500 USD or CAD, and they have plenty of students in one class. So at this price, it's almost impossible to get all the quality of lectures we are providing. And second is, we genuinely want to help international students to come to Canada and make their career in nursing. So our low price is also considerable for international students who are already back home, maybe India or Philippines or Nigeria, etc. So they can also afford the low fees and get the quality education for NCLEX RN. And trust me, we cannot lower the fees than this because the classes is minimum 3 months and then exam preparation for 15 to 20 days, and it includes lots of things. And also there will be a safe space for you to clear out your doubts. You can ask us any doubts you have about the application or the process or the NCLEX RN exam, and we are here to help you and support you and to clear your doubts. So if you're doing applications with us such as NNS or AFRA or USA, then the fees is $150. Compared to others, it's half of the amount because I have seen that people are charging more than $350 for one application. And let me tell you, the transfer is free. We are not charging anything for transferring your license, such as transferring to CNO or somewhere else. So the fees you will pay, of course, for the transfer, but to making an account with CNO, it's free, or maybe somewhere else, other province, it's free. And we are going to help you in transferring the license as well if you're doing the process with us. And if you want to do it by yourself, then of course we are going to assist you in the application. Now, when are we going to start our classes? So the first batch is starting from 1st of August 2024. Now, why we selected this time? So that our classes will be 3 months, and after that 15-20 days or maybe 1 month for practice classes. And after that, if you are giving exam in November ending or maybe December, then you will have a chance to get CCPN. Now, if you don't know what is CCPN, I have a detailed video on my YouTube. You can watch that. So in CCPN, you are going to get $25,000 if you have not worked in Ontario in last 6 months. So hurry up and book your classes so that not only we can guide you for NCLEX RN, but also we can guide you for CCPN, and you can get your full salary plus 25,000 from government. Not a bad deal, huh? So that was everything about career nursing. I hope I have cleared everything you need to know about career nursing. If you have any doubt, I'm going to link down links for our Instagram down below so you can reach out to us. And I'm also going to link the Google form for all the confirmed inquiry for career nursing, NCLEX classes, etc. So make sure you fill out the form if you are really interested in classes from 1st of August. And I am so looking forward to it. So that was everything I wanted to tell you today. Make sure you like this video and share this video to someone who are looking for NCLEX RN classes. Trust me, we are new, but we are here for a long run. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to share to this channel, and we'll see you on my next video. Until my next video, keep loving and keep smiling. Bye.